How to fix Pop Mart error. Oops, it's too popular right now. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a user-friendly guide to resolving the Pop Mart app error that states, oops, it's too popular right now. Please try again later. It usually occurs during limited product drops, high server demand, or login issues. So first of all, you're gonna head over to settings, and then you're gonna click on general, and here you're gonna click on iPhone storage. If you're using an Android device, then you can head over to the storage of that. And here you're gonna scroll down and search for Pop Mart. So we're gonna search for that, and here is it. So here what you're gonna do is simply click on offload app, click on offload, and then once you do so, you'll be able to see a reinstall app button appear. So click on that, and basically it will free up storage used by the app, and it will keep its document and data. And when you reinstall the app, the application will be restarted and refreshed. So that will make you get rid of that error. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.